the vast, beautiful sunrise, filling the sky with wonder, to the beautiful rainbow stretching across the sky. From the gentle rain or the loud sounds of thunder, the wonders of nature are for us to see and ask why. As the sun rises high in the sky and lights up the world today, the moonlight and the shining starlight fades away. But tonight they will shine once again to stay. For nighttime and daytime, each has their way. The oceans are water with gentle waves lapping, all the rivers and waterfalls mighty and strong. With the morning dew on the flower petals for lapping is the Lord's gift to all living creatures all along. The wonders of nature are all around each day for us to enjoy in a beautiful way. So let your heart and mind run free, run away, as its beauty fills your soul and longs to stay. Standing tall and proud in majestic grace, the wonders of nature are many and abound. For the heavens so tall, glacial ice and mountains wear a beautiful face that only the Lord can see as they reach above it all. Though beauty is also so small and delicate for us to see, with snowflakes and frost designs on the windows, flowers blossoming in colorful fall, leaves on the tree, where these fill the valleys and meadows. Though beauty is not just down to earth for us to see, look up and see the beauty in the sky above, with the graceful flight of the birds so free, to the clouds fluffy and full of the Lord's love. The wonders of nature all around each day for us to enjoy in a beautiful way. So let your heart and mind run free, run away, as its beauty fills your soul and longs to stay. The Lord created the world for us to see and love, with careful planning for the wonders of nature. With the butterflies, bees, graceful deer and dove, with the whales singing deep and the horses running for shore. The Lord's divine fingerprints are in all of the creations, with the gentle wind through the trees and dancing firelights. For all the wonders of nature through all nations, the Lord gives it all through wondrous sight.